everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at a biotech stock, but firstly, start things off with the Biotech ETF. Now, anytime you're looking at a stock, I believe it's a good idea to also look at the sector ETF to see if the wind is at your back in terms of the stock and sector that you're looking at. And as we can see, we have XBI breaking out and today doing it on heavier than average volume. So I want to take a look at the biotech sector for some good relative strength and patterns that aren't too extended above their key moving averages. And today I came across ARWR. This is Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, and we can see some nice tight price action on this stock as it's sitting above the 8-day, 21-day, and 50-day moving average. And so what I would want to see for an entry on this is a move through and a close above 67.45. So I'm going to set an alert here on my software at 67.45. Look for a move through and a close above. And as you can see, we can easily define our risk right here at this low from Monday at around $63. And so I would look for a move through 67.45 and have a stop down around 63. That's your trade setup on Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals, and it's just one of many that we're looking at over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to learn how to trade the charts for yourself, give us a trial. Click that link, StockMarketMentor.com, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.